Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, January 25th, 2017. I don't have to tell you that we have broken the record today. The Dow has reached the 20,057 right now. The TSX is not following that much this movement, and there's it is very different from one sector to another right now, and the one that is a little bit critical at the moment is the gold sector, because look, the gold stock went down this morning, and then we're still having a downward direction at the moment. So your positions in the gold stocks are in danger, I could say, right now. So the whole market has reacted pretty good so far. The US dollar is very calm, and just at the support level here, at the crossing of the uptrend, so a little bit more, and then we'll go down. That would help the resources, of course. But for the moment, the crude oil is going nowhere. It's really getting towards the tip of the triangle formation here. It's very neutral, and the gas has about the same phenomenon. And as you can see, the oil stocks are up a little bit, but not that much, and it's not changing anything on the trend. What we see today, we have seen it a few days ago again. And actually, TransCanada is one of the responsibles there. Husky Energy and Shawcor are, so you definitely have stocks that do it, but also some other stocks that are still doing correction. But it's very hard to know what to do. If you look at the stocks, they look pretty good. Like Bonavista Energy here is reversing has broke out through its support following a new uptrend. So there's all kind of signal, but it is I don't know, I don't understand very much, because look, if you look at the index today, look, the stocks are barely moving. Okay, if you look at the intraday chart, the stocks are just a little bit higher today. So the increase is not very big. It's only 0.5%. But then when you look at the stocks, there are so many stocks going up. Actually, I cannot find many. You have Cameco, Denison. There's a little bit of correction here today on the uranium, but most of the stock, not to say all, are going up. So it's hard to understand the calculation of the index today. I think the index should have been higher, but you know, that's the way it is. So let's look at the Boeing movement today. 233 to 247. So Boeing is breaking through a 2-month resistance. North Fork is following a new bullish cycle above its resistance too, with from 136 to 142. Abbott and United Technology has their result as expected. 65 for Abbott, went down and came back, and United went down and came back to a little bit. So, and Freeport McMoRan, it's a correction, 33 to 25, and Alcoa 24 to 14. The stock is going down just slightly, and Canadian National Railways 123 and 121 to 123, 2 cents better, but the stock is going down. So that's all. You know, there isn't much happening. Clean Diesel has announced an agreement with one of its supplier, and the stock rose and then went down. And Halcon is acquiring some assets, and Bob Evans is selling some of its restoration operation. That's all. The most important thing today, we haven't heard yet about that, but here in the news, what I have and what they said also is that today it is this National Security Day for Donald Trump, and it's today that he should confirm that he's going to build a wall in between Mexico and USA, and also is supposed to establish a new law limiting the immigration from Muslim countries, heavy Muslim countries. That's what they said he was going to do. So I thought that was send some worry on the market, but you know, it's just an opinion, and many times we can be wrong. The market is showing us something else. The market shows that it is positive. The banks were going up in Europe today because they said the economy in the United States is getting better. So the U.S. bank and the Canadian bank are also doing the same thing. So the banks broke out on a new bullish cycle this morning. Bank of Montreal, TD, and Nova Scotia, and most of the banks did it too. So what do we have to understand about that? I don't know. You know, it's definitely a very strong movement. The Dow hasn't changed since. Look, put it here on a like that. So we're still in a very strong movement because the Dow has broken a 2-year high, and from this point here, it's still making new high again. So we can't say that the market is bad. The market is showing us that it is very positive. So the Dow is making a new high, the SPY is making a new high, the TSX has made a new high too. But sector by sector, it's not the same thing. The gold is going down, and it is, look at the trend here, you know. So the last bullish phase may just be over, because this way, as you can see, the gold breaking through here is going to begin a new bearish cycle. So all of the recent positions you may have bought in those, like on the Kinross breakout, now is totally erased. So it's no longer a positive situation there. Yamada Gold is heading toward its support, and Detour is on its support, and Sandstorm. So a few days ago, the gold stock were either following, a few of them were following a new bullish cycle, and most of the others were tightly trying to attempt the break of the resistance. But now it's totally the opposite. It seems like it's going to break down. The mining has also, for most of the stock, the small stock were strong. Look at Ivanhoe Mines still going up. Taseko and London and Hud Bay are going up today. Sherritt, and except that it's First Quantum and Teck that does not continue the movement. Northern Dynasty has made a good correction, and it's now showing a new support at $4. $3.75 would be a new selling point on the down, going down for Northern Dynasty.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back. The first question here, can you analyze BTUUQ? Peabody Energy, the stock is now on LTC baby since quite a while, and it's still going very bad. It is on a very good support right now. I don't think I would buy anything like that, but you know, it can still, you know, despite the movement of certain oil stock, this one is not moving a lot, and the only thing we could count on is this big support, but the support is at 116 and the stock is at 265 still. So I don't know what you want me to say about it, and I don't really know what to do with that. There is no bid and ask on the OTC BB stock, so it's pretty hard to see where the next signal would be unless you buy it because of a short-term condition, support condition, which is here, but at 181. And but you know, if it starts going down, it's still, you know, from there it's 265, and here is 161. The reason is, why is it that much money? Because it was $18 here. So I think it's a pretty risky stock to buy so far. And Cara operation is still near. It looks like it's going to break out. It does not so far, but it remains at the top of his, you know, it's not coming back here. So it's looking like in preparation for a breakout. And on the breakout, you know, it's a stock that I don't like very much. It's not very liquid. It's not moving so fast, you know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what you want to do with this stock, but technically wise, the buy signal is about 27 something. Where do you think we can make a buy in YD? iDreams. That's a very funny stock, you know. This stock was not doing anything before. It has no volume. Let's see it from here to here, just for fun. You see, it was a stock that almost never don't trade. The biggest they were 80,000s, but the situation has changed a lot since the stock has reached the beginning of December, and so we sort of it seems like we have to forget this, all of this. Why the stock is trading so much right now, I don't know, but it is certainly following a new bullish cycle, and it appears to be a new breakout within a new bullish cycle in there. So I wouldn't say that it would be a bad idea. But still, you know, if you consider all of this, if this stock is very good, it could go very far. So why don't let him come to around 50, and the day it makes a totally new bullish cycle, all above all resistance, could be even riskier. But I wouldn't say it's a bad trade in buying it right now. Not the one I'd like the most, but not a bad one. About 1,000 NA at 46. It's 56.51 right now, but it's beginning a new bullish cycle. So the whole sector broke the resistance, and we could not say anything. Then I think you should. I don't think you should sell that now. You're asking Jean if you should sell. Why? It is considered as a buy signal, and technically, when the whole sector and stocks are doing this. So you're in the big money right now. So no, keep it. It's going up. You're $10 right now. So you have to follow keep on following the trend and never sell unless we would reverse something. But the stock is so positive right now. I mean Cara in USA. Okay, so that's Cara in USA. Let's try Cara in. Maybe I had the right. Let's see here, Emma. It's not the same. Okay, it's not the same stock. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, UP. Okay, definitely it's not the same stock at all. Cara Therapeutic is a nice movement today. It's breaking out through an important resistance, and it's a new high for the year. It still has the potential to go back to 22. So I say that it's nice. You know, it seems to be a nice signal. Not really at the beginning, like at 11. But still a new bullish cycle. So the stock may have still some bullish momentum to go. So I don't know what's going to happen this afternoon. Whenever we don't even know when Trump is going to talk, and it's funny because these are two very, very big points coming out with a law that. Restricts all immigrants from Muslim country and deciding to build the very long wall between Mexico and USA is something that is very important. It's probably what the market is waiting for right now, because since it opened this morning, it's going flat on all market and also on the SPTT. So I kind of wonder what's going to happen. The materials are at the bottom of the day, the mining and the gold, so they could bounce back strongly and they could break down strongly too from this point. I think these are the movement to watch right now. If you see the gold accelerating on the downside, get rid of a few positions. Same thing on the mining to keep your profit. And for the rest of the sector, it's not very interesting. I really wonder if we will. I'm wondering if the market will stay above the 20,000 line today. So anyway, I think we have to follow it. And but so far, one more thing I have to say is that some uranium stock was still going up today, but in the most cases, it's showing the end of the bullish cycle, while some Steel stock in the United States has started to go back down, and but Champion still going up. The stock has rose 200% in 2 weeks, so it's pretty good performance. So thank you very much for being with us. We'll see you next time.